Hi guys, Sanibonani, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about real life issues affecting families, relationships, and society. Today, we're diving into a very sensitive but important topic, which is divorce. Divorce is never easy. It's painful, it's emotional, and it's life changing. But lately in South Africa, and not only South Africa, and the rest of the world, we're seeing more and more divorces, not just among ordinary people, but also among celebrities. So in this episode, we'll talk about three major divorces. I just chose them because these people, I love these people so dearly. And when I heard that they divorced, my heart sank. So I'm going to talk about TV personality Phumeza Mdabe and her husband separation. These are the two beautiful people on the screen. And I'm also going to talk about Mapaseka Koyetle, the much loved scandal actress who also confirmed a divorce, and then Asavela Mkogiana, who also shocked us, especially me. I was shocked also about the news of a divorce. But then again, we won't stop there. We'll also ask the question, why are divorce rates rising in South Africa, and what are the pros and cons of divorce? Because yes, it's not all negative, but it comes with trade-offs. So grab your tea, get comfortable. Let's unpack this together. So guys, I'm going to start I'm going to begin with the Phumeza Mdabe. Many of you know her as a TV personality, actress, and presenter. She has always been open about her family life, especially about raising her child with special needs. Recently, she broke news that he and her husband are going their separate ways. The couple have been together for years, and fans admired their life story because it seems so strong and resilient. But behind closed doors, things are often complicated. Reports suggest that the marriage had been under strain for some time, with pressures ranging from personal differences to the demands of family life. This divorce highlights an important reality. Even couples who seem strong on the outside may be struggling privately. And for Phumeza, making this decision could not have been easy, especially considering that there are children involved. As a society, we often judge celebrities who go through breakups, forgetting that they're just like us, facing the same pain, confusion, and emotional battles. Now, let's talk about Asavela Mqogiyana. She's one of South Africa's rising stars, known for her roles on television. I first saw Asavela on Isibaya. Wow, she's a brilliant actress. And she's also admired for her beauty, talent, and charisma. She announced a divorce. It sent shockwaves across social media. Fans were surprised because not too long ago, she had shared pictures and posts celebrating love and marriage. This again shows how unpredictable relationships can be. What looks perfect on Instagram is not always perfect in reality. Asavela's divorce raised questions about how modern pressures like social media expectations, career demands, and family responsibilities can affect marriages. Sometimes couples feel like they are living for the public instead of living for each other. For younger fans, Asavela's story is also a reminder that marriage is not always the fairy tale we imagine. Love is beautiful, but it requires constant work, communication, and compromise. Now, let's look at Mapaseka Koetle, known for her role on Scandal as Dintle. She is one of South Africa's most beloved actresses, and her divorce story also caught the attention of the media. For years, Mapaseka has kept her private life out of the spotlight. She managed to balance her career and her personal life quietly, but eventually the news of her separation became public. What makes her divorce particularly interesting is how she handled it with dignity, privacy, and without unnecessary drama. She showed that sometimes couples can separate amicably without the mudslinging we often see in celebrity breakups. Her story gives hopes that divorce doesn't always have to be ugly. It can be about two people recognizing that they've grown apart and choosing to move on respectively. So guys, let's talk about why the divorce rates are rising in South Africa and the world as a whole. So now that we've looked at these three divorces, let's zoom out and ask this question, like, why are divorce rates on the rise in South Africa? Several reasons stand out. Changing social norms. In the past, divorce was a taboo. Many couples stayed together even in toxic marriages because of societal pressure. Today, people are more willing to leave if they are unhappy. The second one is of financial independence, especially for women. In the past, many women stayed because they were financially dependent on their husbands, but now more women are working, earning, and choosing freedom over staying in unhappy marriages. And then the third reason is the modern stress. Careers, long working hours, and economic pressures put a strain on relationships. South Africa has the high unemployment and financial instability, which often leads to marital conflict. The other reason is infidelity and lack of communication. Sadly, these remain some of the biggest causes of divorce. With social media and technology, it has become easier for people to be unfaithful or feel emotionally disconnected. And then the fifth and final reason, I think this one also stands out, is high expectations. Today, people want more from marriage. They want emotional support, companionship, financial stability, and romance all in one package. When these expectations are not met, divorce becomes an option. So, guys, let's talk about the pros and cons of divorce. The divorce is a double edged sword. The pros of divorce are freedom from toxic or abusive relationships, ability to start afresh and focus on personal growth, reduced conflict in the household, which can benefit children in the long run, the opportunity to find happiness and peace outside of a strained marriage. The cons of divorce are the emotional trauma, especially if children are involved, the financial strain, ranging from legal fees, splitting the assets, and sometimes loss of financial stability. The other one is social stigma. Although this is changing, some still view divorce negatively. And then also another disadvantage of divorce is loneliness. Starting over can be overwhelming, and rebuilding a support system takes time. So, while divorce can be the right choice, it is never without consequences. That's why couples are encouraged to seek counseling, try communication strategies, and explore all other options before taking this step. So, guys, in closing, what can we learn from the stories? Pumeza's divorce reminds us that even the strongest couples can struggle. Asavela's story shows us that what we see online is not always the truth, and Mapasega's journey teaches us that divorce doesn't always have to be ugly, it can be respectful and empowering. Divorce rates may be rising, but maybe that's not always a bad thing. It could mean that more people are choosing their happiness, their peace, and their freedom. And at the same time, it's a reminder that marriage is not just about the wedding day. It's about consistent effort, respect, and love. So, to anyone who is watching this and is going through a divorce or thinking about it, know that you are not alone. There is life after divorce, and sometimes ending one chapter is the only way to start a better one. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more new notifications of videos that I would have done and analyzed to share with you. And let me know in the comments, do you think divorce is becoming more accepted in South Africa, or should couples be fighting harder to stay together? Until next time, stay cool. It's summer, guys. Stay strong, stay kind, and take care of your hearts. Bye.